मैं नहीं जानता। I don't know. मैं नहीं जानता। I don't know. I don't know. कोई बात नहीं। No problem. No problem. खड़े हो जाओ। Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ। Sit down. Sit down. इसे खाओ। Eat it. Eat it. इसे खाओ। आहिस्ता चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. यहाँ आओ। Come here. Come here. ऊंचा बोलो। Speak loudly. Speak loudly. खामोश रहो। Keep quiet. Keep quiet. अंदर आओ। Come in. Come in. जब आप बहुत अच्छा बोलना सीख लें तो बोलें स्टाइल में ज़रा come in. सीधे खड़े रहो। Stand still. Stand still. हिलो मत। Don't move. Don't move. ऊपर जाओ। Go upstairs. Go upstairs. नीचे आओ। Come downstairs. Come downstairs. इधर देखो। Look here. Look here. मेरी तरफ देखो। Look at me. Look at me. इसे लो। Take it. Take it. इसे पकड़ो। Hold it. Hold it. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? चलो एक गेम खेलते हैं। Let's play a game. Let's play a game. और कुछ नहीं। Nothing else. Nothing else. ध्यान से। Be careful. Be careful. अभी। Right now. Right now. इसे चखो। Taste it. Taste it. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे दो। Give me. Give me. ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? मुझे दिखाओ। Show me. Show me. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. मैं जानता हूँ या मैं जानती हूँ। I know. I know. कभी नहीं। Never. Never. इसे साफ करो। Clean it. Clean it. कोई बात नहीं। Never mind. Never mind. इसे दोहराओ। Repeat it. Repeat it. मेरे बाद दोहराओ। Repeat after me. Repeat after me. ये वाला। This one. This one. वो वाला। That one. That one. इसे करो। Do it. Do it. इसे जल्दी करो। Do it fast. Do it fast. जल्दी करो। Hurry up. Hurry up. नहा लो। Take bath. Take bath. जाकर खेलो। Go and play. Go and play. Goodbye बोलो। Say goodbye. Say goodbye. एक निवाला खा लो। Take a bite. Take a bite. एक घूंट पी लो। Take a sip. Take a sip. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि ये छोटी सी कोशिश आप लोगों के बहुत काम आने वाली है। बच्चों के साथ स्टार्टिंग में ही ये छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस आप बोल के अपनी और बच्चों की इंग्लिश बहुत बेहतर कर सकते हैं।